Start here.
Welcome to Start Here, a transformative journey from the Start Here with Jefferson YouTube channel. This playlist is designed to help you navigate and achieve your personal and professional goals. We delve into essential aspects of personal growth, helping you take that crucial first step towards change and success. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Let this be yours. Explore your purpose. Define your passions and set meaningful goals. Change is vital and growth guarantees a better tomorrow. Together, we can unlock your potential. Join us today and begin your journey. Warm regards, Jefferson.
Welcome to the section Self-Reflection and Action.
This section invites you to harness the power of self-reflection as a pathway to meaningful action and personal growth. Through self-reflection, you'll learn to pause, evaluate your thoughts and behaviors, and gain a deeper understanding of your strengths, values, and areas for improvement. By regularly engaging in this practice, you'll build clarity about your goals, align your actions with your intentions, and cultivate a life that reflects your true aspirations. The section also emphasizes the importance of turning insight into action. You'll explore practical techniques for setting clear goals, developing actionable plans, and taking consistent steps toward positive change. Self-reflection is only the beginning. By committing to intentional action, you transform your insights into real progress, creating a cycle of growth that keeps you moving forward. With guided exercises and strategies, you'll be encouraged to take ownership of your journey, adjusting your approach as you learn more about yourself and your path. By mastering self-reflection and purposeful action, you'll empower yourself to make decisions that propel you toward a life of fulfillment, resilience, and achievement.
Today's episode.
Chapter 49. Why Here?
Introduction.
Life has a way of placing us in specific circumstances and locations that can often leave us wondering, why here? The place you find yourself in, whether physical, emotional, or situational, is never coincidental. It's an opportunity to explore, learn, and grow. Every environment holds lessons, challenges, and experiences that shape who you are and who you can become. Understanding why you are where you are requires self-reflection and an openness to the possibilities around you. The present moment and location might be the perfect setup for you to hone a skill, overcome an obstacle, or prepare for the next stage of your journey. Sometimes, we resist our current circumstances because they feel uncomfortable or limiting. However, embracing the here can reveal hidden opportunities that wouldn't be accessible anywhere else. This chapter examines the importance of being present and maximizing the benefits of your current environment. By shifting your mindset, you can transform your perception of where you are into a stepping stone for success. Through real-life examples, practical advice, and actionable strategies, you will learn how to align your location with your purpose and turn why here into a powerful catalyst for growth and achievement.
Understanding the concept.
Why here is a profound question that pushes us to reflect on the purpose of our current circumstances. It challenges us to evaluate our surroundings, our relationships, and our present opportunities with an intentional lens. Your current environment is not just a backdrop. It's a stage where your actions, decisions, and growth unfold. One essential aspect of understanding why here is recognizing the concept of alignment. Every place you find yourself in, whether geographical or metaphorical, offers lessons that align with your journey. A bustling city might teach resilience and networking, while a quiet town might nurture creativity and introspection. Each environment has its unique offerings, and it's up to you to uncover them. Another element is adaptability. Life often places us in situations we don't choose, but that doesn't mean those situations lack value. Adaptability allows you to make the best out of the resources available in your current environment. By viewing challenges as opportunities to innovate and grow, you turn the why into how. Lastly, your current environment can serve as a foundation for future success. The skills and connections you build now can pave the way for larger achievements later. Viewing your year as a building block rather than a limitation can help you cultivate gratitude and a growth mindset.
Challenges and solutions.
One, feeling stuck. Many people struggle with the sensation of being stuck in an environment that doesn't align with their aspirations or dreams. Solution: shift your focus to the positives. Identify the skills, connections, or experiences you can gain in your current situation that will help you move forward. Journaling or seeking mentorship can provide clarity. Two, limited opportunities. Certain locations or situations may seem to lack opportunities for growth or advancement. Solution: create your opportunities. Leverage online resources, remote network, or networking platforms to expand your horizons beyond your immediate surroundings. Often, your reach extends far beyond your physical location. Three, resistance to change. Some individuals feel uneasy embracing new environments or circumstances. Solution: develop adaptability by setting small, manageable goals. Experiment with stepping out of your comfort zone regularly, such as by trying new activities or joining different social groups. Four, comparing to others. Constantly comparing your situations to someone else's can create dissatisfaction. Solution: focus on your journey. Practice gratitude and remind yourself that everyone's path is unique. Use comparisons as motivation rather than discouragement. Five, overlooking the present. It's easy to be so focused on future goals that you miss the opportunities in your current environment. Solution: practice mindfulness and reflection. Spend time appreciating the present moment and identifying its value.
Practical applications.
One, explore your environment. Take a closer look at what your current location offers. whether it's a local community group, a new skill you can learn, or people who inspire you. Actively seek ways to engage. Two, network locally. Build relationships with those around you. Networking in your immediate environment can lead to unexpected collaborations or opportunities that might not be visible initially. Three, develop new skills. Use this time to invest in personal growth. Take online courses, attend workshops, or volunteer to gain experiences that will benefit you in the future. 4. Set location-based goals. Identify what your environment can help you achieve. For instance, a city might be ideal for career growth, while a rural area might be perfect for reconnecting with nature or focusing on personal projects. Five, adopt a gratitude practice. Reflect on the unique benefits of your current situation. Keep a gratitude journal to acknowledge the positive aspects of your environment and how they contribute to your growth.
Case studies or examples.
One, Temple Grandin, diagnosed with autism at a time when few understood it. Temple Grandin used a unique perspective to revolutionize the livestock industry with human handling systems. She often spoke about how being here in the agricultural field, despite her challenges, allowed her to contribute in ways no one else could. Two, William Kwankwamba. Growing up in a drought-stricken village in Malawi, Kwankwamba faced hunger and limited opportunities. Yet, it was precisely here in his community's hardships that he found purpose. Using scrap materials, he built a windmill to generate electricity and water for his village, proving that impactful innovation often grows from unlikely places. 3. Marjorie Stoneman Douglas. A journalist and environmentalist, Douglas became a fierce advocate for the Everglades. While many overlooked the wetlands, she recognized the importance of air and dedicated her life to preserving the fragile ecosystem. Her work ensured lasting environmental protection for future generations. Temple Grandin used her unique challenges to revolutionize an industry. William Kankwamba turned adversity in his village into a life-saving innovation. Marjorie Stoneman Douglas found a mission in a neglected ecosystem. Each story proves that why here is not a question of limitation, but of hidden opportunity and purpose exactly where you are.
Personal reflections.
Take a moment to reflect on your current environment. What unique opportunities does your year offer? How can you leverage your surroundings to move closer to your goals? What lessons or experiences can you gain from your present situation? Write your thoughts in a journal or discuss them with a trusted mentor or friend. By reflecting on your environment, you will uncover its hidden value and align your actions with your aspirations.
Conclusion.
Your current environment is more than just a backdrop. It's a crucial part of your journey. By asking why here and actively seeking the answers, you open yourself to growth, opportunity, and purpose. Remember, the place you are in now holds lessons that will shape your future. Embrace it, learn from it, and use it as a foundation for achieving your dreams. Wherever you are, you have the power to create meaning and progress.
A final thought with Jefferson. The title of this episode of A Final Thought with Jefferson is Choose Joy, Finding Happiness in Simplicity.
Joy is not something you stumble upon by accident. It is a choice you make every day. In a world that glorifies hustle, achievement, and material gain, true happiness is often found not in what you possess, but in how you live. Choosing joy means deciding to see beauty in the simple everyday moments that others frequently overlook. Joy is not about ignoring reality or pretending everything is perfect. It is about recognizing that even in the midst of challenges, there is always something to be grateful for. It is the laughter shared with a friend, the warmth of the sun on your skin, the peace of a quiet morning. These small moments are where actual joy lives. To choose joy, you must slow down and be present. Life is not a race to the finish line. It is a series of moments that deserve your attention. Pay attention to what brings you joy and makes your heart lighter. Focus on experiences rather than possessions. Invest in relationships rather than rushing to the next milestone. Happiness is not something to chase. It is something to cultivate. Simplify your life by letting go of what drains your energy. Release the need for constant validation. Stop waiting for someday to feel fulfilled. Joy is available now, but you must be willing to choose it. Today, commit to finding happiness in simplicity. Smile more. Worry less. Appreciate the little things that make life rich and meaningful. Your circumstances may not be perfect, but your outlook can be. Joy is powerful. It fuels your strength, sharpens your perspective, and enriches your journey. Choose it daily. Let it become the foundation upon which you build a life, not just of success, but of true contentment and peace.